In this lesson, I'll cover thread pooling. A thread pool is a group of reusable threads that perform a set of tasks, and methods for creating thread pools are a new cached thread pool, new fixed thread pool, new scheduled thread pool, and new virtual thread per task executor. In this coding task, we will create a fixed thread pool. So we're going to create multiple threads that call a method that increments a field. So in a new Java project, let's create a field. So let's come in here and type private. Let's make the data type an int, and let's name the field count. And let's assign it a value of 0. Next, let's define the method that will increment the field. So type public. Let's make it void, and let's name the method increment. Let's go in the body of the method, and let's print out the incremented field. So type ++ count. Next, we will create multiple threads using the new fixed thread pool method. So let's go in our main method, and let's write our try block. So in the parentheses, let's create the threads. So type var, let's name the variable service, and then let's assign it executors. And then let's call the new fixed thread pool method. So we'll say dot new fixed thread pool. So inside of the parentheses, you specify the number of threads. So I'll go for 300. Next, we'll create an instance of the class so that we can use it to call the increment method. So let's go in the try block and then type main. Let's name the variable main, and then we'll say it's equal to new main. Next, we'll create a runnable task. So let's go here. Type runnable. Let's name the variable task, and then let's assign it a lambda expression. Now let's go in the body of the lambda, and then we'll say main dot increment. Next, we'll create a for loop that will submit the task multiple times to the available threads. So let's go outside of the runnable task and write our for loop. And let's have this loop iterate 10 times. And inside the body of the loop, let's submit our task. So type service, and then let's submit, and then pass task in there. Type your semicolon. So let's run our program. So you may notice in your output that the numbers are not ordered from 1 to 10. And that's because some of the threads reported later than others regarding incrementing that field. So for example, over here, I have the first thread incrementing the count field and reporting the result. And over here, you can see that a later thread reported its result earlier than this thread that probably started earlier. Another thing you'll notice is duplicate numbers. So when this happens, it means that tasks are being executed at the same time. And this is called a race condition. And I'll show you how to deal with this in the next lesson. That is it for the lesson. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the next one on thread safety.